Start with the proof. This pull request is not waiting for a human to remember every team role. Continue has already run checks against the diff, blocked the merge, and opened a review flow where suggestions can be accepted, rejected, or used to improve the agent itself. That is the interesting part. The source post cells continue as a private coding assistant, and the clip shows the next layer, AI quality control inside the PR. This fits the same local-first shape as a serious coding agent setup, whether you use Codex, Claude Code, Cursor, or your current local workflow. The short version is simple. Keep coding help close to your machine, then make the repo enforce the standards. The post starts with a familiar developer problem. You want an AI pair programmer for boilerplate, debugging, and faster execution, but the default answer usually means sending code into someone else's system. The post names Copilot, ChatGPT, and Cursor as the cloud path. We should treat that as the author's framing, not as a courtroom claim. But the tension is real. Teams want speed, and they also want control over proprietary code, API keys, internal architecture, and product logic. Continue's pitch is that you can separate the assistant from the cloud rental model. The useful question is not whether every cloud tool is bad. The useful question is, what can you run locally, and what should be enforced in your repo? The current Continue homepage is focused on source-controlled AI checks. That is a shift from the older mental model of only an IDE assistant. The docs say each check is a markdown file in .continue/checks. When a pull request opens, Continue runs those checks against the diff and reports the result as a GitHub status check. Green means the code looks good. Red means the agent found a problem and can suggest a fix. That matters because it turns standards into review infrastructure. Security review, mobile layout, React best practices, comments for non-obvious decisions, these are not just advice in a wiki. They become repeatable checks that fire every time code changes. Now slow down the actual 9-second source clip. First, we see GitHub blocking a pull request because several continuous AI checks are still failing. Then the view jumps into the Continue hub, where the same pull request is broken into agent checks. One suggestion is accepted. Another check opens a real diff in dashboard.tsx. Then the user rejects a React best practices suggestion and opens the improve agent modal. That modal is important. It asks why the suggestion was bad and lets the user tune sensitivity from conservative to balanced to thorough. The final frame shows 5 checks completed, 1 rejected, and the merge still blocked. The clip proves a human-controlled AI review loop, not a magic autopilot. The local coding assistant angle comes from the official IDE docs and marketplace listing. The VS Code marketplace calls Continue the leading open-source AI code agent, with agent, chat, edit, and autocomplete. The docs show Ollama as the local model path. For autocomplete, Continue recommends running Qwen 2.5 Coder 1.5b through Ollama. The command is direct. Ollama run Qwen 2.5 Coder :1.5b. Once the model is available, Continue can use it for inline completions in the editor. JetBrains is supported too. This is the private pair programmer part of the story. Your editor can talk to a model on localhost instead of making every completion depend on a remote provider. The clean architecture is 2 lanes. Lane 1 is local help while you write code. VS Code or JetBrains sends context to Continue. Continue talks to Ollama on your own machine, and the model returns chat, edits, or autocomplete. Lane 2 is repo-level quality control. Your check's live in the repository, the pull request opens on GitHub, and Continue evaluates the diff as a status check. Those lanes can be used together, but they are not the same claim. The source video proves the PR lane. The docs prove the local Ollama lane. Keeping those separate makes the video honest, and it also makes the setup easier to reason about. Here is the practical workflow. Install the Continue extension in VS Code or JetBrains. Install Ollama. Pull a coding model that is fast enough for autocomplete. Turn on Continue tab autocomplete and point the model role at Ollama. Then, for team standards, add markdown checks under .continue/checks in the repo. Open a pull request and let those checks run as status checks. Review suggestions like normal code review. Accept what is useful. Reject what is wrong. Feed corrections back into the agent. That last step is the underrated part. The system gets useful when the team treats AI review as a controlled process, not as a black box telling everyone what to do. My take is that continue is strongest when you do not overclaim it. The local assistant story is real, and it is backed by the Ollama docs. The PR check story is real, and it is backed by the source clip, the homepage, and the GitHub README. Together, they point at a better coding stack, local help while you build, source-controlled rules when you merge. The repo is github.com/continuedev/continue, and the docs are at docs.continue.dev. If you want the broader, fully local coding agent direction around this, the companion place to look is conductros.com. Same principle, less rent, more control.